Top 7 foods to heal your gut naturally. Your gut is the command center of your health. From digestion and immunity to energy and even your mood, a healthy gut is essential. But if your gut is damaged by processed foods, stress, or antibiotics, it can lead to bloating, fatigue, and inflammation. The good news? You can heal your gut naturally, starting with the foods you eat every day. In this video, we'll reveal the top 7 foods that restore gut health, improve digestion, and boost immunity. Why food matters for gut health. The gut microbiome contains trillions of bacteria that regulate digestion and immunity. Good bacteria thrive on natural, fiber-rich foods, while bad bacteria feed on sugar and processed junk. By choosing the right foods, you can rebalance your microbiome and repair your gut lining. The food you eat can either heal or harm your gut. It's your choice. Food number 1. Yogurt with live cultures. Rich in probiotics like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Helps restore healthy gut bacteria after antibiotics. Supports digestion, reduces bloating, and improves lactose tolerance. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt with live and active cultures. Food number 2. Sauerkraut and fermented vegetables. Naturally fermented foods packed with probiotics. Contain lactic acid bacteria that reduce inflammation and support gut lining. Also high in fiber and vitamin C and K bonus, fermentation makes nutrients more bioavailable. Food number 3. Kefir, a fermented milk drink with up to 60 different probiotic strains, more powerful than yogurt. Improves digestion, boosts immunity, and reduces harmful bacteria in the gut. Non-dairy alternatives exist for lactose-intolerant people, coconut or water kefir. Food number 4. Garlic and onions, prebiotic superfoods. Rich in prebiotics, the fiber that feeds good gut bacteria. Contain inulin, which promotes the growth of bifidobacteria. Also have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Best eaten raw or lightly cooked for maximum benefits. Food number 5. Bananas, especially green bananas. Great source of prebiotic fiber, resistant starch. Helps feed probiotics, reduce bloating, and improve stool consistency. Provide potassium and magnesium, supporting digestion and muscle function. Green bananas are best for gut health, while ripe bananas give quick energy. Food number 6. Oats and whole grains, rich in beta-glucan fiber, which supports gut bacteria and stabilizes blood sugar. Improves bowel regularity and promotes satiety. Slow digesting carbs equals steady energy and reduced inflammation. Avoid highly processed grains. Choose rolled oats, quinoa, or brown rice. Food number 7. Bone broth, rich in collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glutamine. Helps repair the gut lining and reduce leaky gut. Anti-inflammatory and soothing for digestion. Easy to make at home with chicken or beef bones simmered for 12-24 hours. Healing your gut doesn't require expensive supplements or complicated diets. By adding these 7 foods, yogurt, sauerkraut, kefir, garlic, onions, bananas, oats, and bone broth, you can restore your microbiome, improve digestion, and boost your overall health. Your gut health determines how you feel every single day. By feeding your gut with the right foods, you're not just healing your stomach, you're transforming your entire body. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Health and Wellness for more natural remedies, gut health tips, and ways to take control of your health. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video.